Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the new iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Apple Watch Series 6. Let's get started. So, we'll start with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Got this in the Pacific Blue, so let's check it out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow, wow. Okay, so in the box we have the phone. Wow. Also in the box we have little instructions and things like that. Let's see. Little Apple sticker. So I got those. And a SIM card ejector. Also in the box there is a USB-C to Lightning cable. Okay. So there's the phone. Alright, now we'll check out the Series 6. I got this one with the kumquat watch band, so Alright, so in here, we got our little Apple Watch here, and underneath here is our charger. Let's go ahead, we'll check out the kumquat watch band. There's the watch. Alright. So we'll go ahead and put this on. Oh. What am I wrong? Okay. Here's the phone. It's an amazing blue color. Alright, so this video is just an unboxing video of the 2 new products. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check in a couple weeks. I will have a full video on the 12 Pro Max. And I'll see you guys then. Peace.